Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. I hope you guys are enjoying the previous videos in which I have shown you how to make some simple thalis with unique recipes. Today I have come up with another thali with another set of unique recipes like the Aloo Bukhara Kofte, a simple sabzi made with cauliflower and green peas, a Palak Raita and Lachha parathas. So let's see how to make the Aloo Bukhara Kofte. So here I have 500 grams of mutton mince. Now to this mutton mince, we are going to add a few spices. So here I have just the pods of 5 green cardamoms and 2 black cardamoms, quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of red chilli powder, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, some salt to taste. And now to bind this and make our koftas, I'm going to crack in an egg. So I'm just going to mix this well. Now for the koftas, I have got Aloo Bukharas over here. Aloo Bukharas are basically dried plums which I have chopped into small pieces. We're going to use this as a stuffing for the koftas. So I'm going to take a little bit of this mixture, flatten it on my palm and stuff it with a few pieces of the Aloo Bukhara. Roll this well. And we just keep it on the side here. So similarly, we'll make the koftas with the remaining mixture. Now that our koftas are ready, let's shallow fry them with ghee. So I've heated 1 tablespoon of ghee here and now we'll just fry the koftas. After keeping the flame on a high for 2 minutes, let's reduce it to a medium and let it cook on one side for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Let's flip these. While the koftas are getting done, let's make the gravy. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, let's pop some whole spices like a bay leaf, 1.5 inch of cinnamon and 4 green cardamoms. They're releasing an amazing aroma. Now let's add 2 medium-sized onions that I have ground to a paste without adding any water. And we have to fry this onion paste till it is a beautiful golden brown in color. The koftas are ready. Let's remove them in a plate. The onions have got browned. I'm going to add a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of fennel powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder and just mix this well. Let's add 2 teaspoons of chili powder and here I have 1.5 cup of whipped yogurt. We just add this. Reduce the flame to a low because we don't want the curd to split. We'll cook this on a low flame till the oil separates. As you can see, the oil has separated. Let's add half a cup of water to this. Sprinkle some salt Mix this well again. Add another half a cup of water to this. Let's simmer this gravy for a minute and then our gravy will be ready. Let's start with the second recipe, the cauliflower and peas sabzi. Let's heat 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to add some whole spices, an inch of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, and once they release an aroma, which they already have, I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for them to crackle. Let's quickly add green chilies. I've taken 5 green chilies here. And now let's quickly add the cauliflower. I've taken half a kg of cauliflower. I've cut the cauliflower slightly longish, not too thin, not too big. Now let's add peas, half a kg of shelled peas. Let's add some turmeric powder, about half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Now just mix this well. Now let's cover this and cook it on a low flame till it is done, and occasionally we'll be stirring this as well. While the sabzi is getting done, let's quickly make the palak ka raita. So here I have a bunch of palak which I finely chopped and boiled it. I'm not going to throw the water. Now once the palak has cooled down, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion that is finely chopped, some green chilies. I've taken about 3 to 4 of them, 1½ bowl of yogurt, a teaspoon of sugar and some salt to taste. Let's mix this well. And our palak ka raita is ready as well. I'm going to quickly show you how to make the lachha parathas. The cauliflower sabzi is ready as well. The paratha is ready. Let's serve the thali now. And our thali is ready to be served. You saw it's not a very difficult process. So do try it, let me know and keep watching Get Curried.